Understanding, hold in high regard. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in conversations, readings, or even in movies. Hold in high regard. This phrase is not just about respect. It's about deep admiration and esteem. So, let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your English vocabulary seamlessly. To hold someone or something in high regard means to have a great deal of respect, admiration, or esteem for them. It's not just thinking well of someone, it's valuing them highly for their qualities, achievements, or character. This phrase often comes up in professional contexts, but it's also used in personal relationships to express deep respect. Let's break it down. Hold, in this context, means to possess or carry a certain opinion or feeling towards someone or something. In high regard, means having a high level of respect or admiration. When put together, it paints a picture of someone holding up another person or thing in a position of honor in their mind. It's a powerful expression of respect. Using hold in high regard in sentences is straightforward. Here are some examples. I hold my mentor in high regard for all the guidance and support she has provided me. This community holds its leaders in high regard, expecting them to uphold high standards of integrity and honesty. It's typically used in more formal or respectful contexts and can be a great addition to your language toolkit when you want to express admiration eloquently. It's useful to compare hold in high regard with similar phrases to understand its unique nuance. For instance, respect is a general feeling of admiration but doesn't always imply the depth that hold in high regard does. Admire focuses more on the qualities or achievements that inspire admiration, while hold in high regard encompasses both admiration and respect. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase hold in high regard confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying respect, admiration, and the depth of your feelings towards others. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to hold your own language learning journey in high regard as you continue to grow and improve. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.